So hey guys, how's everyone? So today I'm gonna share a little feature with you about these cars here. Actually, it's with Hondas and Acuras just announced. I thought it was pretty neat. Been waiting for it for a while. So if you guys know, with at least the Acura models here, if you park outside, you want to remote start your car. Only a few models have the remote start on the key, but you can also have the Acura Link app and do it that way. It's a paid subscription, of course. I think it's $110 a year for the remote feature, so you can remote start it from anywhere, and all that kind of stuff. A lot of the stuff is basic with the Honda. They charge you for here, but just announced a couple days ago, which I thought is pretty cool. So you can download the app. You get it free for I think a year with the car, but then it's like I said, it's $110 a year. But what they just have now, so here's the app. They just updated it. If you look at it, it says Apple Watch integration. So if you have an iPhone, of course, and you have an Apple Watch, now if you have the remote start feature on the Acura Link app, if you can see it right here, that's what it'll look like on your Apple Watch. So you can do the same things you can do with your phone. So just a little bit more convenience. If, like I said, if you have an Apple products and you have the watch, you can remote start it. It tells you the temperature. You can extend the time, like all the stuff you can do on the app, but now it's on the watch. I remember when I got mine, I was bummed that you couldn't do it on the watch, and now they just made an update where you can. And it works on the 2019 RDX, and then the new TLX, the MDX, and the new Integra as well with the CVT, of course. So it's pretty neat. Like I said, it's a bummer that you have to pay for it. Like $110 a year. I mean, it's not horrible, but again, it's something that a lot of companies do standard as far as remote start goes. And then for the Honda, released the same day, of course, they did the same thing. But now a lot of the Honda vehicles come with remote start on the fob, and a lot of the Civics even do. So if you're paying for the Honda Link app, you can do the same thing with your Apple Watch. I'll show you what it looks like. But the only bummer here is it only works with a few models on the Honda side of it. So I'm not quite sure why. Maybe because most of the cars have remote start anyway. But if you look at it, it says 2018 Odyssey Touring Elite, the 2018 Accord Touring, and 2019 Insight Touring. The Pilots, the Black Edition, and the Passports, Elite, all those, they don't have a remote start available yet. Now, it tells you the disclaimer right there. It's currently not available. It makes me think that they'll have an update shortly to make it available. And then like the Accord, it's only available on the Touring, but all the cars below that have a remote start, or you can do the hack if you have the LX to get the remote start feature. But again, a neat feature if you have Apple products, you like them, you have the watch, want to be able to start your car and see how the temperature and stuff on your watch. You don't have to get your phone out. It's a neat feature. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know if it'll sway people to spend $110 if they weren't already to get it. Let me know your guys' idea in the comments, what you think about that. You know, like when I got it, I was surprised that the model car I have doesn't have a remote start. There's no, on the fob, there's no function for it. For all that money you pay, I'm kind of shocked it wasn't standard, but then, you know, you can do it this way, which the plus of it is you can do it anywhere in the world. You know, where the remote fobs, they have just like a line of sight, maybe 100 yards at max. So, I mean, I have used it when I had it free for a year. It was nice. It tells you if it started. You don't have to look out the window to see if it actually started with the lights flashing and all that stuff. So it is a nice feature. You know, if you live somewhere where it's cold, $110 a year seems like a bargain to warm your car up, get it all set for you when you take a drive. I'm debating paying for it again since like I said, the free subscription expired, but thinking about it, I think with the watch it's kind of cool little feature, but I wanted to see what you guys' thoughts are. If you've heard of it, like I said, it's only been a couple days since they announced that, so maybe you don't know about it, but maybe you'd like that feature. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, 2 days ago, it just got released. So I thought that was pretty cool. Step in the right direction for sure if you're using it. Like I said, I'm still debating if I should do it or not, but maybe it'll help some of you guys out. I appreciate it, guys, as always. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.